Since the 1990s, microcomputer protection devices have gradually replaced the traditional relay protection devices and have been widely used in power system production. In order to realize the test of microcomputer relay protection device, relay protection tester has become an essential special equipment. At present, there are many manufacturers and product models of relay protection tester, but its basic principle and application method are basically similar. This lesson takes PL series relay protection tester and digital tester as examples. The device panel is composed of display screen, shortcut function keys, indicator lights, operation keys, keyboard keys, USB interface and mouse. Indicators include power indicator and operation indicator. The operation keys are start button, fault trigger button and stop button in turn. The function of each key in the embedded keyboard is the same as that of the corresponding key in the external keyboard. The backplane of the device has 4 pairs of open terminal rows. 4 pairs of open terminal rows. GPS interface. Device power supply, power wiring outlet and device power switch button. There are current output. 4 pairs of switching value input. AC voltage output. And 1 DC voltage output terminal on the wiring terminal block. After the tester is electrified, enter the Windows XP operating system interface. The Power Test CUD application software icon is placed on the operating system desktop. Double-click to open the application and enter the main interface. In the main interface, there are 8 test module function buttons of A1, A8 and Setup Shortcut Task. During testing, if you need modules other than the 8 test modules provided in the main interface, click the Set Shortcut Task button to pop up the shortcut configuration window. For example, to change the A8 low cycle load shedding function to the low voltage load shedding function, click the Set A8 button to pop up the test module selection window. Select the low voltage load shedding file in the default subdirectory, click Open, and the A8 function in the shortcut configuration window will be displayed as low voltage load shedding. After clicking OK Exit, the A8 button test module is modified to low voltage load shedding. Click A1, A8 test module function buttons in the main interface or press the corresponding shortcut function keys on the tester panel to enter the test interface of corresponding modules. For example, click the A2 General Test 4V 3i button to enter the test interface of the General Test 4V 3i test module. The test parameters can be reasonably set according to the setting value of relay protection device to test the function of protection device. The Type PNI 302 tester can output an analog amount of voltage current and a digital amount of voltage current, thus completing the debugging of various conventional protection devices, digital protection devices, and merging units. The device panel is composed of display screen, shortcut function keys, indicator lights, operation keys, keyboard keys, mouse, etc. The left panel of the tester is the output terminal of analog quantity, including 2 groups of AC current, 2 groups of AC voltage and 1 group of DC voltage. The right panel of the tester is the digital output terminal, and the input and output terminal of the on and off amount. It includes 6 sets of IEC 61850 digital amount input and output, 3 cubic feet input, 1 cubic foot output, 1 PPS pair input, light B code input, light B code output, 8 input. For switch amount output, power switch, GPS pair, small signal output terminals, etc. NI 302 tester completes its test function through PowerDiskCut for NI 302 software operation. After startup, the main interface pops up. On the right side, A1 A5 is provided with 5 kinds of outputs: A1, analog output; A2, IEC 61850-9-2 digital output; A3, IEC 60044-8 digital output; A4, analog plus IEC 61850-9-2 digital output; 5, analog plus IEC 60044-8 digital output. During the test, the corresponding output in A1 A5 can be selected according to the input type of the equipment to be tested. After selecting the output mode, you can enter the new debugging interface. Then select the new function key A1 A5 to enter the corresponding function debugging.